Everyone to Global FX Radio YouTube's U.S. Preview and Bank of England and Bank ECB rate decisions basically coming out in the next hour, 45 minutes, and an hour and a half respectively. You look at the chart of sterling dollar on the hourly chart, it looks like we may have held here last night. This little, look at that little doji, this level here, this 157.70 is a huge spot. And I got to tell you, the fact that we've held here, Euro sterling is pushing lower. Cable is looking pretty good. We did have Halifax House Price Index come out horrible, negative 2.2%. German factory orders, though, down 8%. The euro dollar looking like the relative strength loser here. Euro sterling, as strong as it was, pretty much coming in pretty weak right now. We'll get to that in a second. But sterling dollar on the hourly chart, you know, the 60 level is so big. We get to through 60, we're going to 61. And we got the top of this channel line, we're going to 61. Cable hangs in here. This whole 58.90 level, very big. Should we burst through the 60, we're going right to 61. And if they only cut rates by a half a basis point, I would say that's going to be good news. I think 75, and we probably reverse, but I think the 61 level certainly looks like it's in the cards. Should we get through 61, then stay low to 63. At least 62, that's for sure. So cable going in these 100-pip chunks. And obviously we got a lot of news coming out. Hopefully some of you bought that Canadian dollar last night. That Aussie dollar, very surprising number out of Auslan. That unemployment number was much better than expected. Even New Zealand too. So much of being right all the time. Not. But looking again at this sterling dollar hourly chart, I think it looks pretty constructive. Again, we roll over. We take out this whole 157.90 level, bye-bye, it's all over, we're going to 156. But we're in a very crucial spot here, bottom of this little channel, this little upward channel. So to me, cable, if they only cut by 50, and they say some decent things, cable's going to look all right. Hourly chart on the euro dollar looks completely different. Factory order's terrible. Jean-Claude Trichet is going to be cutting rates, admitting he was wrong. This is rolling over. Now, should this euro dollar take out this 128.30 level, say hello to 128, we take out 128, we're going to 127. But euro dollar, the relative strength loser, as euro sterling, we'll take a look at that before dollar yen, has been coming in nicely. So euro sterling, should that continue to break lower, as it looks like it's doing now, it's rolling over here. Double top. Look at this beautiful double top. Now listen, we take out 81.10. We're probably going to make a run for 81.60 again. But you see here, this channel line, very big spot we're here in euro sterling. So in the moment stuff right now, if this breaks lower, euro's going to roll over, cable's going to hold up, or cable's going to shoot to the moon, and euro dollar's going to hang in. So, and again, look at the euro dollar. You know, it definitely doesn't look as good as cable does on the hourly. Let's look at dollar yen. Dollar yen, again, is dribbling. Dribbling. Nothing really doing. Flagging to me to the downside here. Getting through this range. Nice downtrend channel. If the futures were to rally a little bit, I could see a rally up to 98.50, but dollar yen clearly having a tough time in this whole 98.30, 98.40 level. Every time it gets up there, it fails. Lower, high in this move in Europe. So this doesn't look too good either to me. But again, look at all these wicks here, showing signs of support. So we break through 97.50, there's going to be Momo. Look at all these times we bounce off the 97.50 level. Look at these wicks. Should we break through, it's going to look ugly. And again, the statements are the key. Obviously, everyone's expecting 50. If they cut by more, one would think that the pound's going to get pounded, as well as the euro. I don't think Trichet is going to cut by 75. I think the man doesn't do any shocking things except raise rates. But I think that London has the biggest chance of cutting rates higher. Their rates are higher. Their economic situation right now is more dire. Euro is going to follow suit. Now, looking at this euro-yen chart on the hourly again, it bottomed right out at that 125 level, right at our price target. We bounced to 127. Now we're rolling back over again. Now what? Well, this 125 gives way. That's it. We're going to 124. No support. No soup for you. 124 would be my target. But if we hold here and we start to rally, and this euro starts to rally, could be a nice opportunity. But again, 125 key level, 125.50 really key level, and again breaking this uptrend channel line would be the 125.20 level. People, you don't want to be long this if we break through 125.20. It's over, and then measure the move from 125.30 to 127 roughly. That's about what 150 pips. We go right to 124 then. There you go. So the yen carry trade not looking good. I think the stock market's probably going to be lower today. In the end, I think it's probably going to rally maybe, but I think we will have follow through to the downside. Stock market was overbought. Nice move down yesterday, closing at the lows. Should the market gap down significantly, 200 points, I think we probably rally. If we open up, I think we go down. So again, very much this stock market's going to be a key to trading the yen carry trade. This dollar yen, huge level at that 97.50. Sterling yen on the hourly chart, holding up a little bit more, went up a little bit more. But again, we're in this nice downtrend channel. I mean, look at this gorgeous downtrend channel. And the uptrend, well, not the uptrend, but support. So should 154 give way, bye-bye. It's all over. So looking at this sterling yen chart, I got to tell you, this 154 level is huge. Now, we're coming in nicely. We had this big burst higher. This, I think, the market is telling us that we're probably going to go up. If we take out these lows, all bets are off. My bias is going to change, but I think this move here indicates we're probably going to push higher. And should 157 be taken out to the upside, say hello to 158, then say hello to 158.90, and then say hello to 160. So and even this 156.10 level, taking this bar out, this alley bar, would be nice bullish engulfing in my opinion. So that looks very good. As far as the U.S. numbers are concerned, again, it's going to be, we get unemployment claims. Remember that Canadian Ivy? I'm going to show you that Canadian dollar. I mean, it was 100 pips. It wasn't, a 300 pip call, but certainly this Canadian dollar. And remember, they got a big number coming out at 10 a.m. That Ivy index is going to be a shocker, in my opinion. It would be nice uptrend channel. We rolled over a little bit here. Now we got a hammer brewing on the hourly. Let's see in the next 40 minutes. Time is 6:21 a.m. Eastern right now. Giving you a little young report. Early, baby. Money never sleeps. It's just when I choose to do it. Just kidding. All right, so looking at this, I think 118.50 easy on dollar CAD, on the loonie, and 116.50 should not give way. Should that give way, we go down to 116 easy. So the dollar Canada, that loonie yen worked out pretty well last night. Also, hopefully some of you were able to pull the trigger on that one. But again, this dollar Canada, 1,500 pips it sold off, bottomed out, broke this whole downtrend channel on this ridiculous sloping downtrend channel. So to me, dollar Canada looks easy 119, 118.50 easy. You see how these lines meet up. So let's look at another yen cross, the loonie yen. Ridiculously overbought. It's come in a good 400 pips from when we were shorting it. Well, I was shorting it pretty much right around here, 86. So it's down a couple hundred pips. Not as big of a move as I thought it would be. Any rallies in this baby. It looks like it's trying to hold here, loonie yen. Does look like it's trying to hold. We do have the shooting star at 84. Last night was a nice trade in this baby. Got down to 83. But nice little shooting star here. Now we got a hammer. So now we got the propeller pattern, right? Shooting star, hammer. Now there's the moment of truth. Where's it going to go? Where's it going to go? Remember, any questions, email me, info, INFO, at globalfxradio.com. Keep your comments coming into Daily FX, people. I need your comments to stay on there. And remember, I offer a premium service for $200 a month. I give you the 3-month special, 3 months for $400 to start out the first 3 months. See if you like me. And most people are staying on. Hey, if you doubt any of my calls that I'm saying, try the 1-week trial. Come in and ask my people how we're doing. You'll see for yourself. Listen, these rate cuts are going to be big. The market's going to be even more volatile. It looks to me like cable looks kind of bullish. The yen carry trade is going to be, basically, the movement's going to be based on the stock market and this dollar yen 97.50. So we got big spots, big momentum coming. Get your hard hats on. Let's make some money. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, YouTube, the only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money. Have a good day.